International Mother Earth Day 22nd of April. An international event celebrated around the world to pledge support for environmental protection. This year's theme for Earth Day is Restore Our Earth. This day provides an opportunity to raise public awareness around the world to the challenges regarding the well-being of the planet and all the life it supports. International Mother Earth Day was established in 2009 by the United Nations General Assembly. The resolution was introduced by the plurinational state of Bolivia and endorsed by over 50 member states. It recognizes that the Earth and its ecosystems are our home, and that it is necessary to promote harmony with nature and the Earth. The term Mother Earth is used because it reflects the interdependence that exists among human beings, other living species and the planet we all inhabit. It is decided to designate April 22nd as International Mother Earth Day.